What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Yes, you guys, we are here at Family Dollar. This is location number 2. I can't wait to see what's new in here. Let's go inside. It looks like they've sold a lot of their cups and dishes since we've been in here last time. These are still here. They're just $1. They're so cute. We still have all the tumblers. The lemon melamine plates. Again, they're just $1. They're so cute. Hi, how are you?
It's been a Monday.
A Monday?
The freezer broke down sometime last night.
Oh shoot, sorry to hear that.
Yeah. I've been scrubbing melted ice cream out of the freezer all morning.
Oh no. Looks like these are all still here, you guys. I bought a bunch of yellow ones. And all of the yellow cups are gone, but we still have Live, Laugh, Love, and Be Kind. These are $2 each. Looks like we have some new clothes over here. Sweatshirts. Little jumpsuits for girls for $10. It's that kind of stretchy, bouncy material. These little like dresses. Ladies shirt dress. These are $8. We also have blue. This is $5. This little tank, kind of see-through, lightweight and airy. Oh, look you guys. Queen Bee, that's me. A 3-pack of onesies for $7. Over here we have I Am a Unicorn. This is by the Onesies brand. I am so in love with these colors. You guys know I love pinks and blues. These are $7. A little bit sweet and a whole lot sassy. Super cute with the matching pants. We also have Just Call Me Winosaurus. These are so cute. So cute. Let's see if we have any others back here. The unicorn again. We have rainbows. So over this nap thing. Polka dots. Aww. What else do we have? Tiny. What does it say? Tiny, twirling, tornado. Sparkly, fancy, sassy. Aww. Talk to the horn, the unicorn horn. Polka dots and more unicorns. And then we also have this little one. It says, Mighty Fly for a Small Fry. Really cute. Oh, and this one. There's so many here, you guys. If you haven't been shopping at Family Dollar lately for clothes, it's definitely worth looking at. All of these sets are just $7. And then we have this little one over here that says, Poops, I Did It Again, with the matching pants. We also have this one that says, You Don't Want to Mess With Me. We have just so many options. Totally Playing You. Again, just $7. We have 0 to 3 months, 6 to 9 months. What else? I'm mostly seeing 0 to 3 and 6 to 9 over here. Let's see if I missed anything. I think we have even more back here, you guys. We have Princess since day one. Aww. Princess. We have another one back here. Aww. Not wild about naps. Oh, look. These are so cute, you guys. I mean, it just doesn't stop. Feed the beast and no one gets hurt. These are so cute, you guys. So, so cute. Wow, I'm really, 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 really impressed with the onesies. We have baby shark pajamas down here, $9. We have Batman. These, I believe, are all $9. We have Minnie, Mickey. I like fast food and I cannot lie. $5 for a pajama set. We have summer pajamas for $8, or maybe that's not pajamas. Maybe that's just like a little short set. We have Paw Patrol, a little summer set. Aw, what is this? Sing with all your heart. Trolls, I love the skirt. That is $10. So cute. And then over here, we have some little rompers for $5. This is that stretchy, bouncy material. Pony, $10. Straight 80s, you guys. We're seeing a comeback with certain brands like Pony and just a lot of brands that we used to see. If you were my age, maybe when we were younger, they're in stores like Family Dollar and Walmart now. Ooh, look at these colors. This is $8, friends. We have some NBA shirts. These are really, really nice. I bought the shirt for my husband and I bought the shorts for my husband, and he just really, really likes them a lot. I might consider getting another pair today because he really loves his shorts. We also have t-shirts. Most of them are between $5 and $8. We have men's tank tops. These are just $5. $5. And then it looks like we have some clearance clothes here. K-Swiss sweats. These are marked $7. This is a size medium. And these have a retail value of, look you guys, $60. These are a medium. The quality is really, really nice. The K-Swiss sweatshirt is here. It retailed for $60 as well. And how much is it? I'm gonna get this scanned because I had my eye on that. We have more joggers, sweats, more of the K-Swiss sweats. Love those. Sometimes we even have dollar clothes on this end cap. So if there's something you like, consider getting it scanned to see if it's even lower. The unicorn pajamas are $5. Another pajama set. I think these are $5 also. Yep, $5. We even have some Christmas stuff. Definitely get this scanned, you guys. It's marked 10, but you never know. Sometimes we have hidden clearance clothes here. Sometimes they're lower than marked. a red dry fit. I am really excited to get this K-Swiss sweatshirt scanned. I want it, and I might even wear it today. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to start another video in here. I haven't been doing too much filming in Family Dollar lately, and I really miss it, and I think you guys miss it too. So I'm definitely going to film even more. So definitely come back to my very next Family Dollar video. We're going to see what else is new in the store and what else is on sale and other items that are here for spring and summer. This location also has a lot of shoes, a whole lot of shoes. And I have found dollar shoes, like tons of dollar shoes here in the past. So maybe in our next video, we'll start at shoes and see what else we can find. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.